National Land Commission Deputy Director of Investigations Antipas Nyanjwa is dead. Nyanjwa collapsed at a city hotel and died. Was an acclaimed document examiner who nailed key masterminds of the 1994 Rwandan genocide against the Tutsis. He had a long-serving history at the DCI headquarters before his transfer to the National Land Commission as a document examiner. Our crimes and investigations reporter Brian Obuya has more for us.
Antipas Nyanjwa's eyes glanced and examined practically every major piece of evidence disputed by accused persons or advanced by prosecutions, involving big criminal files locally and regionally. As an expert witness, Nyanjwa's opinion weighed heavily on matters at hand. Antipas is said to have arrived at this hotel at about 9 a.m. on Monday, parked his car and remained inside for some time. He has been described as a regular customer at the restaurant.
Akatoka, akaenda kujisaidia huko msalani. Akaenda huko msalani. Unfortunately, hakufika. Alienda akitembea huko nyuma. Akaonekana na one of the steward, amelemewa na kutembea, akajishikilia kwa shuma ya pavement, akaketi chini. Akaslide nayo pole pole, akaketi chini.
The document examiner is said to have told an employee of the restaurant that he was set to meet some people at the facility before he collapsed, was rushed to Coptic Hospital where he died. The hotel manager has told KTN News that the handwriting examiner did not take anything at the hotel.
Hakula chakula hapa, wala maji hakununua. Hakuna kitu alikula, hakuna maji kitu alikula hapa.
On June 21st, 2004, Nyanjwa showed up at the Arusha's International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda courtroom. On the dock was the infamous chief organizer of the killings, Theoneste Bagosora, a man accused of co-authoring a document where Tutsis were referred to as the principal enemy, a document that was widely distributed within the army. Nyanjwa had received the documents from Fatou Bensouda, a prosecutor for the case, on May 18th of that year. Nyanjwa's testimony proved decisive for Bagosora, was later sentenced to life imprisonment. Locally, Nyanjwa was a constant feature in trials involving big-time fraud. 4 years ago, he prepared a report for the Lands Commission exposing fraudsters targeting parcels of land in upmarket Nairobi, previously owned by expatriates and settler populations. On November 28, 2008, the document examiner, and together with his wife Violet Akinyi, was accosted by thugs as he drove into his Nubian estate home in Kisumu town. He will be cut at the back of his head and beaten into losing consciousness. The Master of Arts in Criminology and Forensic Science left the DCI in 2018 to join the Lands Commission as the head of investigations in a bid to sort out issues of forged titles and deeds. At the DCI, the man served as the chief document examiner, being among the very well-trained experts on handwriting, later teaching at CID training school. It is not out yet what caused the abrupt death of the investigator. An autopsy on his body is set to be conducted on Wednesday. Brian Obuya, KTN News.